Did you know what Jesus said about forgiveness? In the first century, forgiveness was not weakness. It was costly. In a culture built on honor and shame, insults demanded response. Wrongs demanded balance. Rome enforced order through punishment. The law of Moses defined justice precisely. Forgiveness was not automatic. It was deliberate. And when Jesus spoke of it, he did not soften justice. He redefined the heart behind it. This episode follows his words. Only his words. Spoken in history. Recorded in Scripture. From Capernaum to empty room. Chronologically. Faithfully. Without commentary. This is what he said, and what it meant. Rome does not merely conquer land. It reorganizes economies. Galilee is taxed 3 times. To Caesar. To Herod Antipas. To local contractors who profit from collection. Debt is normal. Foreclosure is common. Shame is public. Into this system sits Levi, a tax collector. Not simply corrupt, collaborative. He represents extraction. He represents betrayal. He represents Rome inside Jewish society. Luke 5 verse 27. And after these things he went forth, and saw a publican, named Levi, sitting at the receipt of custom. And he said unto him, Follow me. No audit. No repayment plan. No waiting period. Follow me. In a culture where debt defines identity, Jesus separates the man from his record. Rome records transactions. Jesus rewrites belonging. Forgiveness here is not emotional. It is vocational. Levi leaves the booth, and history will remember him as Matthew. In the first century, a shared table is not casual. It signals trust, purity, recognition. Luke 5 verses 29 to 30. And Levi made him a great feast in his own house, and their scribes and Pharisees murmured. The scandal is proximity. Jesus reclines with tax collectors. Reclining means comfort. Comfort means acceptance. Religious systems maintain separation to protect holiness. But here holiness moves toward the impure. Forgiveness is no longer temple-centered. It is relational. The meal becomes a declaration. You are not untouchable. In a society structured by exclusion, the table becomes revolution. Honor governs reputation. A woman known as sinful enters uninvited. Her presence alone is scandal. Her tears are vulnerability. Her touch is risk. Luke 7 verse 38. And stood at his feet behind him weeping. Simon evaluates silently. Jesus responds publicly. Luke 7 verse 47. Her sins, which are many, are forgiven. Notice the order. Forgiven. Therefore she loves. Not loved enough to earn forgiveness. Forgiven first. In a culture where reputation determines survival, Jesus restores her status before witnesses. Forgiveness here dismantles social exile. He does not deny her past. He detaches it from her future. A paralytic is lowered through a roof. Crowds block the door. Religious leaders observe carefully. Mark 2 verse 5. Son, thy sins be forgiven thee. Before healing, before movement, forgiveness is declared. Mark 2 verse 7. Who can forgive sins but God only? The objection is theological. If forgiveness belongs to God, then this claim is divine. Jesus heals the man physically, to prove that forgiveness is not symbolic. Temple sacrifices mediated forgiveness. Priests declared it. Now a man speaks it directly. Forgiveness shifts from ritual system to embodied authority. In the parable, the younger son demands inheritance early, which means wishing the father dead. Public insult. When he returns, he expects probation. Luke 15 verse 20. His father saw him, and had compassion, and ran. Patriarchs do not run. Running exposes legs. It sacrifices dignity. The father absorbs shame publicly, so the son does not bear it alone. Forgiveness here is costly. It restores sonship, before restitution. The elder brother stayed, worked, obeyed. Luke 15 verse 28. And he was angry, and would not go in. His obedience was transactional. He served expecting reward. Forgiveness disrupts merit systems. The father goes out to him too. Both sons are estranged, one by rebellion, one by resentment. Forgiveness invites both. The woman is placed in the center. Public accusation, public spectacle. John 8 verse 5. Moses and the law commanded us. They are correct. The law prescribed stoning. John 8 verse 7. He that is without sin among you, let him first cast a stone. The law required witnesses to initiate execution. Jesus shifts focus from her violation to their integrity. Forgiveness here exposes hypocrisy without denying law. He kneels. He writes. Silence disarms escalation. John 8 verse 11. Neither do I condemn thee. Go, and sin no more. No approval of behavior. No dismissal of truth. Condemnation is withheld. Forgiveness here creates future possibility. It does not redefine sin. It redefines destiny. Peter denied publicly. Around a charcoal fire. After resurrection, another charcoal fire burns. John 21 verse 17. Lovest thou me? 3 questions. 3 opportunities. Not interrogation. Restoration. The one who failed publicly is reinstated publicly. Forgiveness does not reduce responsibility. It reinstates calling. Zacchaeus profits from overtaxation. He climbs a tree, curiosity overcoming pride. Luke 19 verse 5. Zacchaeus, I must abide at thy house. Presence precedes reform. Luke 19 verse 8. The half of my goods I give to the poor. Notice, Jesus does not demand repayment. Grace generates restitution voluntarily. Forgiveness does not ignore injustice. It transforms the heart that created it. Passover transforms Jerusalem. Pilgrims fill the streets. Rome increases surveillance. Memory of liberation from Egypt intensifies expectation. Hope feels political. Jesus enters publicly. The crowd chooses a word that Rome cannot ignore. Luke 19 verse 38. Blessed be the King that cometh, in the name of the Lord. King is not devotional language. It is insurgent language. The city anticipates revolution. Rome anticipates suppression. But the confrontation that unfolds is not military force. It is moral exposure. Forgiveness now advances toward collision, not with sinners at tables, but with systems of power. The meal is Passover, a story of deliverance from empire. Yet the threat is no longer outside. John 13 verse 21, one of you shall betray me. The fracture is internal. The kingdom's danger comes from within its own circle. And before confrontation begins, before arrest, before denial. John 13 verse 5, he poureth water into a basin, and began to wash the disciples' feet. The teacher kneels, including the betrayer. Forgiveness is not reactive. It precedes offense. It moves first. Night removes ambiguity. Torches signal arrest. Weapons signal force. A kiss signals betrayal. Peter responds according to instinct, and according to culture. Violence answers threat. John 18 verse 11. Put up thy sword into the sheath. The rebuke is not strategic. It is theological. And Luke records what power would never expect. He touched his ear, and healed him. Mercy is extended to the arresting party. Forgiveness interrupts retaliation. At the exact moment escalation becomes possible. False testimony accumulates. Charges distort identity. Blasphemy is declared. Isaiah had described this posture centuries earlier. He was oppressed, and he was afflicted, yet he opened not his mouth. Silence here is not surrender. It is refusal to legitimize injustice with defensive panic. Forgiveness does not always argue. Sometimes it absorbs. Religious authority hands him to Rome. Now political authority evaluates him. Pilate questions, finds no crime, fears instability. Matthew 27 verse 24. I am innocent of the blood of this just person. Water becomes symbolic theater. But symbolism cannot dissolve accountability. Justice is sacrificed to preserve order. Forgiveness now moves toward execution, without institutional protection. Rome designs crucifixion as spectacle. The condemned carry their own crossbeams. Humiliation is intentional. Deterrence is the goal. Women weep. He does not incite resistance. He speaks of coming sorrow. Forgiveness walks through public degradation, without summoning revenge. Crucifixion is engineered suffocation. Pain prolongs visibility. Luke 23 verse 34. Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. No prior confession. No request for mercy. No stated repentance. The prayer includes executioners. Forgiveness is now voiced, from the instrument designed to end him. Two men share the sentence. One resists even in death. One recognizes kingship in weakness. Luke 23 verse 42. Lord, remember me when thou comest into thy kingdom. The request is minimal. Recognition. Trust. Luke 23 verse 43. Today shalt thou be with me in paradise. No restitution possible. No reform timeline available. Forgiveness extends beyond moral recovery. It reaches the condemned, at the edge of irreversible consequence. A Roman officer supervises execution. Trained, desensitized, professional. Luke 23 verse 47. Certainly this was a righteous man. Recognition emerges not from disciples, but from empire. The machinery of death produces confession. Forgiveness begins to fracture perception, inside the system that crucified him. The disciples do not wait in faith. They hide. Doors locked, fear active, hope suspended. John 20 verse 19. Peace be unto you. Not rebuke for desertion. Not interrogation about loyalty. Peace. Forgiveness addresses fear before performance. The mission continues, not because they were steadfast, but because they were restored. Forgiveness was not weakness in the time of Jesus. It was defiance. In a culture built on retaliation and honor, he chose mercy. He forgave the immoral, the corrupt, the violent, the betrayer. He forgave before apology. He forgave under injustice. He forgave while suffering. And in doing so, he redefined strength. Forgiveness did not ignore evil. It confronted it, and refused to become it. 2,000 years later, the question is no longer historical. It is personal. If forgiveness was powerful enough to reshape the ancient world, what could it reshape today? Until the next question.